Everyone knows that Sony are no strangers to producing headphones. Their MDR-7506 model have been the industry standard in closed-back headphones ever since their release date in 1991. 30 years on, and they can still be found in countless recording environments around the globe. But talk to any audio engineer about using closed-back headphones for mixing, and the reply is invariably going to be, open back is the way to go. Enter the MDR-MV1. High-resolution open-back headphones designed to deliver studio monitor sound for mixing and mastering. Developed originally as high-resolution headphones for Sony Pictures audio mixers to use with Sony's immersive 360 VME software, the MDR-MV1 boasts a frequency response that extends from 5 Hz all the way up to 80 kHz with a well-balanced and accurate sound intended to replicate a speaker-based production environment. Typical open-back designs often lack low end, but Sony have addressed that problem with the MDR-MV1. Low-frequency reproduction is full and audio transitions very smoothly between frequency bands. To make this possible, these headphones employ a newly developed driver with a unique, curved, corrugated shape in the diaphragm, which is housed in a triduct structure that provides resistance and allows for a controlled and tight bass response. Sony has kept the drivers very efficient with a rating of only 24 ohms, meaning they can be driven by virtually any source, including phones and tablets. To further cut down on resonances that can reduce tonal accuracy and localization cues, the MDR-MV1s feature a carefully tuned one-piece, high-strength aluminum housing with 2 types of holes machined in the surface, round holes in the top and slit holes on the sides. These holes vent the entire area and also help to reduce the overall weight while retaining strength. Another nice design feature is the single detachable cable that locks into place. It's a straight cable, which is really handy, and the knurled aluminum connectors are easy to grip. The ear cups are soft, they're made of a very high-quality synthetic suede-like material similar to what's used for trim in high-end sports cars, and they're replaceable too. Comfort was a big design consideration, and the soft ear pads together with the lightweight aluminum construction make the MDR-MV1s a viable option for long listening and mixing sessions. With professional performance that's been engineered to rival listening on speakers, what do you have to say about the Sony MDR-MV1? Let us know in the comments. I'm Andrew with B&H, and I'll see you next time.